Hey everybody, it's Lance here with Love to Hate, and I have another unboxing video for us to look at. This time it is Pendulum, which is the brand new game from Stonemaier Games. They sent us a copy to review, and so we're going to unbox it for you guys. This is a real-time game. It says Time Conquers All here at the bottom. Let you take a look at the back. It says Pendulum. In Pendulum, each player is a powerful noble vying to succeed the timeless king as the true ruler of Dunya, I think. Each noble in the game is unique. Players command their workers, execute stratagems, and expand the provinces in their domain in real time to gain resources and move up the 4 victory tracks: power, prestige, popularity, and legendary achievement. Use your time wisely, as the player who has shown themselves the most fit to rule during the final council will be declared the new timeless ruler. Pendulum is a turnless real-time strategy game for 1 to 5 players. Players must use actual time as a resource in managing their strategy to best their opponents, using time on different action types and balancing it with time spent planning and analyzing. Faster isn't always better. The winner will be the player who manages and invests their time most effectively, not the player who acts the quickest. All right, let's get into this game here. All right, first things first, we have a rule book and big, huge pages here. Lots of color. There are quite a few pages. So there will be a few things to learn how to play this game. Looks like this rule book is 24 pages long. And then we have an Automa rule book, so you can play this game solo. And what is this? Looks like a player aid, quick reference guide. That's nice. I'm glad they include that. There you go. And we have some punch outs. Nice and durable punch outs there. And we've got the player board. And it's a pretty big player board there. Looks like it's double-sided too. And we have some, or that was a game board. I think these are the player boards maybe. Open this. Okay, got it opened up here. We've got our player boards. These are textured feel on them. They're kind of rough and they're double-sided. Lots of beautiful colors there. They are different on each side. And one more here. There you go. And what is this? A scoring card. Perhaps for the Automa. And that's just some cardboard insert. And there we go. What else do we have? We've got some plastic components. Nice and chunky. Don't know if that's showing up very well for you guys to see. Lots of different components here. Get those back in the bag real quick. Show you some other things. Look at this shiny guy. And that's got some weight to it. That's hefty. So that's cool. We've got some cubes. Those look to be similar cubes from Tapestry. Maybe the same kind of thing going on there. More cubes. Even more cubes. We got some baggies. And some purple square tile component. And here are our sand timers. So we got a green one. Get that on screen for you guys. A black one. And a purple one. Can't even tell if that's really coming out or not. Not sure. I have to mess around with that some more. More components. These look like meeples. These are plastic, not wooden. Shiny plastic. And it looks like we have some cards. So we've got some smaller sized cards here. With, oh, they are different colored backs. Or at least some of them are. And some square-shaped cards. Get that open real quick. Lots of greens, blues, reds, purples, and yellows. So I'll have to mess around and figure out what these are all for. They've got like some sort of map on the back of them. And the last thing in the box appears to be some regular poker-sized cards. Let's get these opened real quick. Yeah, there you guys go. And we'll figure out what all this is for. These last ones, this is the Atama deck, which is pretty hefty. Look at that. There's a lot of cards there for an Atama deck. Interesting. And these look to be like player aids, perhaps, and some other kinds of cards. We'll figure all this out. We will do a playthrough video on this in the near future, as well as a review, and we'll let you guys know what we think about it, if it's a game to play with non-gamers. Lots of opinions on this game. We'll share ours on it as well. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. You can see my dog there in the background. This is Pendulum from Stonemaier Games, and we are Love to Hate. Thank you guys for checking us out. Like and subscribe.